Hi everyone, it's Robin and welcome back. So most of you probably already know this about me, but I like to decorate. That's probably a complete understatement, but I really do enjoy it. And one of my favorite things to watch here on YouTube are home tours. Oh, I love home tours. I love watching them. I love creating them. I just love everything about home tours. So for today's video, you've probably guessed it, I'm going to share with you my winter home tour. But not only that, I also invited some friends to join me, so keep watching. I invited some friends to join me today to share their winter home tours as well. So I'm very excited to go check out their videos because I know each and every one of these ladies are super talented and just wonderful, wonderful people. So I am hoping that when you are done watching today's video that you will check out the description box. I have listed out everyone's name and channel and given you nice little links to their channels so that you can watch their videos, as well as added a playlist so you can easily watch all of the tours for today's winter home tour. So I'm hoping you guys will go check out the tours and make sure that you let them know that you're coming over from my channel and show them a little love in the comment section. I would very much appreciate that. So for my winter home tour today, I decorated my living room and my dining room, my kitchen, and my bedroom. So I'm excited to share it with you. As you watch this video, you will notice that I've used a lot of candles just to give my home that warm and cozy glow that we all love so much this time of year when we're just like all snuggled in and it's cold and frigid outside. So at the very end of this video, I will share with you some looks of my rooms when they are lit with candlelight. So I hope you enjoy this video and let's get started. that is my winter home tour. I hope you enjoyed it because I am absolutely loving the results of my decorating. Oh, I think it turned out so nicely. So now it is time for you guys to go check out the links in my description box and go see what everyone else has done for their winter home tours. But before you do, I would love for you to hit that thumbs up and leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you think of my home tour. Thank you all for watching, and I will see you again very soon. Bye now.